Hello dear friends and users, welcome to this very important Recon software tutorial video. Now the new financial year 2025-26 is quickly about to start for everyone, and this specific time is very important for all professional businessmen as they definitely need to finalize their complete accounting, complex taxation, annual balance sheets, and overall trading figures. All of these essential things must be successfully completed and finalized very soon. So in today's comprehensive video, we will learn exactly how to set up the new financial year inside Recon software. To create it correctly, first log in as an authorized admin user directly into the system or on the main server, on the server. And please ensure that all other users currently working on our local area network have closed the application safely and completely. Make sure they are fully logged out. Before starting the process, there are some very important things I want to discuss. Please check these specific points first inside the software, such as checking near expiry stock. We need to check this so that before transferring data, any near expiry items are identified. Stock is moved to the non-saleable go down. For that, go to the stock report, select near expiry, and here in this section, you can view all available companies and then select the specific number of days for near stock you wish to see. As you process it further, you will notice that a comprehensive list appears for you to review. A detailed report will appear showing all relevant batch numbers and details. To print this report, use the Alt+P command. We print the statement, and then we will be able to manage our inventory much better. Choose if you want it alphabetically or by company. These are the parameters. When you process, it'll ask if you want it on screen or in Excel. So if we choose Excel here and wish to process it further through our system, you'll go to Inventory, then Stock Transfer, then Saleable to Non-Saleable. Here, you need to press the Enter key and select the specific companies you wish to transfer. Right here in this window, you can view the list of all entities that need to be processed for the new financial year transition very carefully. You will select which specific companies you want to transfer, ensuring that every necessary account and ledger is included in the migration to the new 2025-26 working database without missing any data, and items expiring by June 2025 will be automatically loaded. As soon as you save this, all this stock will be removed from the saleable stock and moved to separate storage. Move to non-saleable stock. You can also print this entry to see exactly how much near expiry stock has been successfully transferred from one place to another for your records to the non-saleable go down, so you can remove it from your racks. The next crucial step is to carefully check your books for accuracy. If there are any pending purchases, please enter those immediately. Also, check your banking or PDCs once. Check if any PDC is pending that still needs to be cleared before the year end or needs to be deposited, so definitely check the register here. Additionally, the third step is to check your pending challans carefully. In the inventory module for sales challans, you can open the challan book, and for returns, there's a specific return challan book option available for you. Similarly, you should check for any pending purchase challans that have not yet been converted into bills. This is a very important step because any unconverted challans might cause issues during the final balance sheet preparation, so make sure to review every single entry in these books to ensure that no transaction is left pending or incomplete for the year. Use the challan to bill option to check these. Here you can tick return challans, goods return, or expiry as per your requirement. As we click the read button here, if you want to convert these challans into bills, then you can select them, use the spacebar to select one by one or select all, and to create an invoice for all these challans, there is a Make Invoice button at the bottom. Once you click this, all these challans will be converted into invoices. Because whatever entries we have already made in challans must be accounted for before the closing date will not be carried forward to the next financial year, because if we take them into the next financial year, then our stock transactions will also be transferred to the new year incorrectly, which we must avoid the next year. So these are essential things to check. Besides this, how to adjust your stock, adding or subtracting, I have made a video for that. The stock adjustment link is in the description below. You can watch it. Also, you must remove non-transaction items before transferring. Those products or accounts with no transactions throughout the year, I have a video on how to remove them too. That link is also in the description. Do check it out. So let's start the transfer next year process right now. First of all, we need to make sure that we follow all the steps in correct order. To take a backup, for that go to admin, and within backup, as soon as you process it here, this backup will be saved in your defined drive, inside the C drives folder, under the software directory. Recon folder, your backup is done there. To check it, you can click on Browse here. Open the folder and check today's date. Verify that your backup has today's date and time. After backing up, your next step is Transfer Next Year. So go to Admin, then Utility, and click on Transfer Next Year. Then this window will open. Here you can see that my current financial year is displayed, and also what the new financial working year is, which is the most critical part of this entire process. You need to verify that all the settings are correct before you proceed with the final execution button. This screen allows you to select which balances should be moved to the next year, ensuring that your transition from the old period to the new one is seamless and without any data discrepancies or ledger issues during migration. Please check that it shows 2025 to March 2026 along with your firm code and the new database code. Here the important thing to note is the date range shown. Tick means you have to tick update last number. If you want to carry your stock forward, then you have to tick transfer stock balance. And if you really need the inventory to move, don't want to transfer stock, you can remove this option from here. Similarly, for transfer account balance, the account balances that we need to carry to the next year period forward, then transfer account balance will remain ticked, as well as outstanding bills. If we don't want to carry forward outstanding records and accounts, uncheck these two. Next, our go down balances. If you select multiple go downs, then tick it by default. Even if go downs exist, they will be transferred forward, and these are our masters, inventory, accounting, or other users. These will remain ticked. Once your PDCs are successfully transferred to the next financial year, you will no longer be able to work on them in the previous year. Therefore, PDCs can certainly be handled separately if you need more time. Transferred later as well. If any accounting entry is pending or PDC needs posting in the previous year, don't tick this, because once PDC checks are transferred, they won't return back to the previous year. Apart from this, there are other things like pending challenge and so on, which you need to handle with extreme care during this time. Make sure that all pending documents that are required for the new year are selected here, so that you do not have to re-enter any data manually after the new year has already been successfully started and initialized for your business. So as I said before, we generally do not transfer challenge and such forward unless it is absolutely necessary for your business operations. If for some reason you still need to transfer them, you can choose this option. So pending challenge will also transfer to the next year. Similarly, for your pending purchase orders or sale orders too, or sale orders. So after ticking all these, as soon as you process here, the transfer process starts. Within a minute, you will see here the new financial year will be created. If you have any queries or encounter an error during this step, you can comment below or call us on our dedicated technical support line, helpline number. Once the process is complete, a message will appear. Click OK, the software will ask for a backup. After clicking yes, you'll see that the transition is now fully complete. Your new financial year has been created. Now we need to log in to the new financial year database. We have logged in. You'll see the new database at the top of the screen now, which is great. Here, showing the financial period. First, we must tune the database. Go to admin, then configuration and tune database. Once you click this, a window will open for you. You need to tick all the options here and start the process. Tuning the database in the new year is mandatory, as it will fully optimize your data. Only after this process is complete can you log into the new year. Once the process finishes, click the OK button. The software will auto log out. Log in again. Now you are logged into the new year and can start the new working session, which will allow you to enter your very first bills for the 2025-26 period without any delay or issues at all. Besides this, before starting, please check your bill number or bill series once by pressing F4 to ensure that just check that the number starts from 1 or not, okay? Also, some people add a financial year flag to their invoice number like a prefix or suffix 2425. Now they need to update it to 2526 here. So that's a manual adjustment that you must remember to perform. Configure the settings here. To change the flags, go to admin and then to series master. Once you open it, select the series you use most frequently for your daily billing and invoicing tasks and open it. After opening, you can change your financial year right here in this flag field. You must change that flag manually to ensure your bill numbering follows the new year's sequence correctly from the start. Here, just as we have changed it under sales, go to firm-wise details and change the sales flag there as well to keep all your records consistent and professional as well. After saving this, verify whether the new flag appears correctly inside the bill. Only after that verification should you actually begin entering your transactions for the day, should you start your entries. You can also recheck your stock in the new year and compare its valuation values with the closing stock of the previous year for reconciliation with last year. This way, we have very easily created the new year. If you face any technical difficulties during this entire process, issue or problem, please comment or contact our support team. Congratulations, your new financial year has started and you are ready to record your business transactions.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming new videos. Thank you for watching this tutorial and we wish you a very successful new year.